Good morning. This is your news report and your Bitcoin update and your cryptocurrencies update as of Thursday, November 26th. So hopping on over here, we do have a largely red day. Bitcoin is down 10% on the day, 5% on the week. So we've lost most of the gains we've made over the past week. This is the case for pretty much everything. We're having one of our major pullbacks or corrections for this current bull run, and we are seeing the Bitcoin dominance rise with correlation to this, as many altcoins kind of amplify the returns of the crypto space. And so they are dropping much faster than Bitcoin. So money is flowing more into Bitcoin so people can offload their crypto and get it into fiat, which is things like US dollars, so that it's not lost during this pullback. We are seeing very little reaction from the public sector companies because all of the public sector companies with treasury values that are stored to some extent in Bitcoin are largely the same. We were at about 4% yesterday and we're still at 4% today. Over on Cycle Repeat, we do have a much more healthy, realistic all-time high projection below that 400 level. This is because they are now projecting the pullback that we just had. After incorporating that in, they don't think we're going to be going up anytime before, say, the first week of December. So it's definitely a good time to start dollar cost averaging in if you are interested in getting into crypto before the bull run proceeds too much. It does not look like we will ever reach that 13K level we were at when we started doing these daily news reports. So if you are interested in riding this wave, at least part of the way up, then it would be a very good time to consider dollar cost averaging in, because we do still have a lot of positive upside. Over on Bitcoin charts, while there is a lot of sell interest around the 17.5 mark, there is a significant amount of buy interest, as you can see from the bar graphs here. So I do not think we will be dropping too much more unless there is a major whale action going on that really forces the price of Bitcoin down. Over on the Google Trends, we have talked about this before, but we did see a relative peak for Bitcoin search interest, which represents the retail side of the investing space. So it was reasonable that we would be hitting a relative high. This is, however, not likely the high of the bull run, because as you can see, there is much more interest whenever Bitcoin reaches all-time highs and starts capping out. We reached all-time highs last December of 2017, and so that corresponded to retail's spike in interest, and we are not anywhere near that level at present. So it is reasonable to believe that we have a lot of positive upside moving forward. In decentralized finance, we do see a drop over the past couple days corresponding with the current pullback we are experiencing, and the value locked went from 14 billion to about 12.75 billion. However, I think most of this is not due to people physically taking their crypto out, but the dropping in the inherent value of crypto with this pullback. So that's it for the crypto space. Moving on over to our pandemics update. We are at nearly 12.5 million confirmed cases, and the country is still largely red. We do see several counties starting to go from the red to the orange, which is a good start, but is still not very good for health of everyone. On our chart, we are still going nearly parabolic. The exponential rate of growth has slowed, which is a good thing, but experts are predicting that the pandemic is going to get much worse before it gets better, with many family gatherings being super spreader events. So if you are going to see family for the holidays, please take care and stay safe. That's pretty much it for your news report today. I'm going to roll a clip from my news updates yesterday on TikTok. Trump is beginning to pardon many of the people who committed federal crimes in his administration and on his behalf, including Michael Flynn. Biden's nomination to replace Treasury Secretary Steven Mnuchin has stated her interest in increasing government stimulus and spending to fight the coronavirus pandemic. On pandemic news, we are hitting new records every single day here in the United States, and Sweden has announced that they are nearing carrying capacity for their ICU beds, and the pandemic has grown beyond their control. They have stated that the herd immunity approach that they originally planned is not working and should not be used as a model for other nations. So that's all I have for now. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, subscribe, and follow. It would greatly help out my page and channel, and I'd really appreciate it. I have other social media platforms that I post on regularly, so check me out on there for more. Thank you so much. Take care, stay safe, and happy holidays.